Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Life with Tay. Today I'm making beef over rice. So now I'm cooking onions and bell peppers in there. And then I have my rice over here boiling. I'm boiling some white rice. Okay, you guys, this is my beef. I seasoned it. I'm cooking it in butter. And my rice is cooking. Okay, you guys, this is the beef when it's done. I made some gravy, and here's my rice. And I also made some dinner rolls. Okay, you guys, this is after I'm done. Beef over rice with gravy, with dinner rolls. Thank you guys for watching again. Like and subscribe.